Hi, and welcome to Dem Canvas, where we'll help you create beautifully customized canvases with pictures of your family or friends, all online in the comfort of your own home. I'm Angelina, and today I'll take you through the quick and easy process of placing your order online so you can do it with confidence, knowing exactly what to do. Start by browsing our huge variety of collections on demcanvas.co. You can search by recipient or occasion. Alternatively, you can just browse around the website to get ideas from our trending and latest products. Once you find one you love, it's time to customize it to make it completely yours. Choose the canvas size that will be perfect for you. Upload your photo. Crop it so that it fits just right. Enter the text you'd like shown. And then click Preview to see what it looks like. Click Add to Cart. Once you've finished creating any others and have added them to your cart, you'll see the preview of all your items that have been customized and are ready for purchase. You'll also see the total cost. Once you click Checkout, you'll fill in your email address, delivery address, phone number, and payment information after choosing the one that suits you best. On this page, you won't see your custom photos, but don't worry, your precious photos are with us and we'll already be working to print, package, and ship them to you as soon as possible. If you'd like to add a tip to show your support, you can do that here. And if you have a discount code, you can add it here and click Apply. We do offer free shipping for US orders over $100. Now, click Pay, and that's it. We'll get to work on printing and shipping your precious order and keep you updated on the progress until it's safely in your hands. Thanks so much for watching this quick video. We hope it's been a help. If you have any further questions, our dedicated customer service team would love to answer them for you. Just email us at support@demcanvas.co.